Hey, this is Joe from RealSuccess, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of wholesaling as a real estate investment strategy. Wholesaling is the business of finding good deals on investment properties and then reselling them quickly for a small markup. The crux of this business is being good at marketing and negotiating to find those good deals. If you're good at sales, then you will love wholesaling. But if the idea of sales makes you cringe a little bit, you might not be the best strategy for you. Real estate wholesaling is a short-term business strategy investors use to make big profits. We all done it, we all started in wholesale. It's a really great way to start with not a major amount of money up front. In fact, you actually don't have to spend any money. And contrary to what you might think, real estate wholesaling has nothing to do with retail wholesaling. The goal of real estate wholesaling is to sell the home to an interested party before the contract with the original homeowner closes. This means no money exchange hands between the wholesaler and the seller, not at least until a buyer is found by the wholesaler. So how does the wholesaler actually make money? And he makes a profit by finding a buyer willing to purchase the home at a higher price than the amount agreed upon with the buyer. So that difference in price paid for the buyer is the profit that is retained by the wholesaler. So basically, when you are getting a contract, you find a contract, you put a house in contract, now you open escrow, and then you assign that contract to a buyer, an investor that you already have, that you have on your list, and you mark it up. You do a small markup, might be $2,000, might be $5,000, might be $10,000. Some of my colleagues made as much as $200,000 as a markup as a wholesaler. Thanks for watching our short video section. I hope this brought value to your investment career, and I hope to hear about your real success story very soon.